Right, okay folks, so we're in the front bedroom and this is another day by the way. So in the last video you could see that we drilled out all of the nails on the board. We now need to lift the board. So what I'm going to do, I mean I can see roughly where the joists are, look, where the boards have been secured down there. But what I want to do is to just come in slightly from the joist, cut down there. So to do that I'm going to use the drill bit again, just extend this hole here, look, and that one there, just so I can draw a line across there, just so I can get the jigsaw and just cut this board so I can lift it. And once I've lifted it I'm going to have a look underneath and just sort of like make sure there aren't any electrical wires, that sort of thing. Right, look, so there we can see the edge of the joist, and I'll be doing likewise up there, and then marking a line between the two. So this should come up quite easily now. Famous last words. Let's come away from there, great. Ta-da! I don't know whether you can see under there, guys, but there's nothing under there, look, which is going to cause any problems for me. We'll just check underneath here, okay. And I have my trusty through light. What's it, TI3 or something, rather? Yeah, there we go. Just have a quick look, shall we? I don't think there's going to be anything under there, but besides, sorry. Yeah, nothing under there, look. Because I've cut the board virtually up against the joist, I will need to put some battens. I'd need to attach them to the joist to give the edge of the board something to screw to, okay. So I'm just going to show you something, guys, a really nice little feature with this tool here, okay, and it's to do with the attachment on the end here. So you can see this is an extension and this bit here slides, okay, so this bit is magnetic, so if I put that screw in it's going to hold it in place, and if I bring this tube over like that, it just means basically you don't have to hold the screw in place. It's just a one-hand job, so you can offer it up to the timber, and basically as the screw goes in the timber this will recede, it will go back, okay, enabling you to get it you know, however far under the timber you want to, obviously by adjusting the tension on here, okay.